Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to change Duolingo app icon, the option is available but only for users who have Super Duolingo or Duolingo Max. So first open your Duolingo application and click on the three dots over here at the bottom right. And then you're going to click on profile and click on this gear icon at the top right. You will be redirected to settings. Now you're going to scroll down until you find an option related to app icon or customization. If your account supports it, you'll see different icon styles available. So you're going to tap on the app icon option and you'll be able to choose from different designs like classic Duolingo owl or special themed icons. So select the icon you like and confirm your choice, and the app icon will instantly change on your home screen. If you don't see this option, it means your account doesn't currently support custom icons or you may need a premium subscription for it. And that's it. That's how you can change the Duolingo app icon in just a few steps. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.